All right, so let me share with you today a quick way of going about making $500 simply trading the future markets within the first hour. Yes, the first 60 minutes of the New York Stock Exchange opening up, okay? Very simple, guys. Again, like I said, you can trade futures and you can make $500 or more just scalping within the first hour of the session. I do not trade more than 2 hours a day. Okay, I'm either trading pre-market or once the market opens up, meaning the New York session, either an hour before or an hour after, or just 2 hours after the market up. So basically, my cutoff time is about 11 o'clock. Eastern time, that's AM, and or I'm trading pre-market. When I trade pre-market, I'm only trading between hours of 7:30 and 9 o'clock. I don't trade that last 30 minutes before the market opens up. But scalping and using the strategy and how I trade all centered around supply and demand. I'm going to show you a setup here in a second. You can make $500, like on gold, for example. Here was a setup here a couple of days ago where the market broke through an area of structure, meaning took out a high. It pulled back to a key area of demand where there's a high probability setup at, and the market pushed to the upside. You only need to basically scalp for a few points on gold and you can make your money. Now, this is the GC market. Trading the micros, you may need to take, maybe a second trade or so, but trying to make $500 unless you're trading with multiple contracts, it's going to be a little bit tougher, but you can definitely do it. But the thing about trading the micros, you should have the mindset of wanting to really compound over a period of time before you start trading the full on either the E-minis or like the E-mini markets within the future markets. Okay. So if you take a look here, basically what we want to do is first and foremost is always figure out structure. You can see where we're bullish to the upside. This is GC, this is gold. Okay. Now some of you may trade the micro version of this as well. And if you're a beginner, I definitely recommend doing so. But here was a setup that I took going long, and scalping for $500 is very easy just within the first 30 minutes of the market opening up. And it doesn't just have to be gold. It could be the NASDAQ. It could be the ES, which is the E-mini S&P 500. It could be silver. It could be, crude oil, whatever it is that you take an interest in trading, okay? Now, we were bullish to the upside, and then we have a bearish run to the downside. So we made a high right here, as you can see. Then we started making breaking structure lower. Lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, coming to the downside. So we made a low here at the breaking. Multiple areas of structure coming lower, as you can see when we were moving to the downside, okay? But then, so now we're in between a high and a low here, okay? That's a major leg right there. Then, okay, then we start to move back to the upside here. We have highs, higher lows, highs, higher lows, highs. Okay, so you can see it taking out areas of structure, but I really want to see it take out more structure, meaning structure to the left hand side where it makes a new high above previous swings as it was making on the way to the downside. Once it does that, we make a high to the upside. I know that we can, there's areas in which we can look to go long off of. Say, for example, we were already bullish to the upside here, right? Market pulls back, breaks higher here. There's a demand zone resting right here. Okay. Now here was one here and there was one over here. I took this one and took this one as well, but these were into 2 different days. Well, this one here was on the 3rd of December. This one here was on the 5th of December. Okay. What I'm trying to tell you is figure out the direction of the market. You can see we were bullish. Then we became bearish to the downside, but then we started breaking structure. These like highs right here, like this one here, this one here, this one here, or say this one here. These are minor areas of structure in between a larger leg, a major high and a major low. So you could trade minor structure point breaks or minor areas of structure. But I tell people all the time, if you have a hard time trading the in between, then look for an opportunity where the market takes out a major high. Like right here. Now, it does make a high going back to the upside right here as well, okay? Because we were breaking structure higher, taking out levels. It does pull back. We got a low here. Then the market goes back to the upside, and then it takes out this area of structure right here. Wait for the market to take that area of structure out there, and that's why we have a nice pullback to this key area of demand. Again, we were breaking structure higher. We broke a minor area structure above this swing high here. When we broke above this high, so we made a high, breaking above this high, and this high pulls back to this key area of demand right here. Why is this an area of demand? Aggressive buying to the upside. It also has an imbalance or fair value gap attached to it right back at the zone. Okay. that's an opportunity to take a trade going long. Now, I mark up all my zones off of a higher chart. So I'm trading range bar charts. So if I'm trading like the gold futures, I'll mark up my demand zones or supply zones. In this case here being an area of demand, right here off the higher chart. And then what I do is that once I mark it up, okay, and let's say the market breaks structure there, I'll wait for the market to start pulling back to the downside and move down to a lower base chart to take a trade in the same direction. So I'm looking for a demand setup that forms on the lower chart. For me on gold, it's going to be 12 range. If it was the NASDAQ, it'll be like a 24 range chart on my lower chart. But that allows me to confirm with using multi-chart confluence and, top-down analysis, looking for an entry point moving in the direction with the institutions because they're breaking structure, moving higher now. And let's pull back to this key area of demand. This was a valuable, I should say, and viable demand zone resting right here, aggressive buying. Who's doing that? The institutions are. We as retail traders want to trade like the institutions, not against them. Pulls back to the demand zone, just move down to your lower base chart. Look for a demand setup on your lower base chart. Take it long back to the upside, aiming for the high here or some of these gaps to be filled back to the upside, but on the lower base chart, okay? Again, we're bullish to the upside, breaking structure above this high here now. Again, another clean area right here, pull back to this area of demand. Listen, on GC, for example, on Go, I'm going to show you right quick because the tick value is $10 a tick. Now, let's say we pick up 5 points on in the market, okay, on GC. That's times 10 because for every point on gold, there's 10 ticks, okay? So that's 50 ticks. And the tick value on gold is $10 or GC is $10 a tick. That's $500 on one contract. You enter with 2 contracts on GC, you made $1,000 that day, okay? So if you're going for, let's say, 2.5 points, okay, times 10, that's going to give us 25, basically 25 ticks right there, times 10, $250 on 2.5 points. And if we go in with 2 contracts, that's $500 just on 2.5 points on gold. Okay, seriously, it's very easy to do if you know how to follow structure and you know what you're doing. But this is how I do it each and every day. Trading the future markets, whether it's GC gold or the NASDAQ futures, the E-minis, or say, for example, the E-mini S&P 500, the ES, the Dow, whatever it may be that you have an interest in. Trading supply and demand, looking for these easy setups is a great opportunity to trade. And you can do it within the first hour, meaning only working within 60 minutes and making $500+ a day. I want to share that with you guys, okay? Very simple. But if you want to know more about the strategy and how I actually trade, you may want to definitely become either an elite or an ultra elite supporter. Very inexpensive. We're talking about $6.99 a month. That breaks down to be basically 24 cents a day. I'm not here to charge people hundreds and thousands of dollars for something that's very easy to learn, because basically what you're doing is just supporting the channel, supporting my efforts as not only as a content creator, but as a trader as well, and sharing with you something that is very valuable that has helped tons of people pass their evaluations and challenges, those that are using prop firms and those that are using their own personal capital make money. We have a Discord down below if you're interested in joining. It's the first link. The second link is going to be how you can become part of that private community and become an elite or an ultra elite supporter. The link is below the Discord. Click that. Once you click that link there, you're going to see a couple options, okay? It's going to be titled Elite or Ultra Elite. You will see, once you click on that, you'll see the price and you will see the reward and perks that you receive for joining each or either one of the tiers. So for example, if you become an elite supporter, remember, right? $6.99 a month. You receive all my trade breakdown videos. Those are trades that I post on trades I've taken and post over in the Discord. I break them down in great detail for the supporters, okay? So that they understand the premise behind each one of the trades, my mindset in reference to structure, price action, stop loss, and profit target areas. So that you understand there's tons of those videos there. Plus you also receive, and that's the trade breakdown videos. Plus you also receive my video playlist and a great video surrounding market structure. And if you want to take it one step up to become an ultra elite supporter, you also receive the live recorded trading session videos that I post for all the ultra elite members as well. Okay, so again, the link to become an elite or an ultra elite supporter is down in the description portion of the video. Click on it, wait like 1 or 2 seconds, and you'll see the tiers that you can join. Okay, click on it, choose one of them, and you start joining and becoming one of the members to where you gain access to all that additional content surrounding the cornerstone, the blueprint to how I trade. Now, if you have not already clicked that subscribe button while watching today's video, please make sure right now subscribe to the channel. It's free, okay? As you do that, also make sure to click on the bell, which is the post notification bell, to ensure that you never miss any other uploaded videos that I post here on the channel. And last but not least, please do me the biggest favor and drop a like on the channel or on the video if you found value in today's video by clicking that thumbs up button. Take care, and I hope everyone had a safe trading day, and I hope everyone has a great weekend ahead.